In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste attributes between clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. This is a fast, reliable way to keep your edits consistent across multiple shots without redoing the same work over and over. Think of it as taking the exact adjustments you've already nailed, like motion settings, opacity tweaks, color corrections, or audio effects from one clip and applying them to others in just a few clicks. Start by selecting your source clip. This is the clip in your timeline that already has the effects and adjustments you want to reuse. Make sure it's highlighted so Premiere knows it's the one you're copying from. It can help to quickly glance at the Effect Controls panel to confirm the clip truly contains the settings you intend to transfer. Next, copy that clip's attributes. On Windows, press Ctrl+C. On a Mac, press Command+C. You won't see anything change visually yet, but Premiere has copied the clip's attributes to your clipboard, ready to be applied elsewhere. Now select your target clips, the ones you want to update. You can highlight a single clip or multiple clips in the timeline, use Shift-click to select a range, or drag a selection box to grab several at once. It's perfectly fine if these clips are from different parts of your sequence. The paste operation will apply to everything you've highlighted. With your targets selected, it's time to paste attributes. Right-click on any of the highlighted clips and choose Paste Attributes. If you prefer shortcuts, press Ctrl+Alt+V on Windows or Command+Option+V on a Mac. This isn't the same as a regular paste. Paste Attributes is specifically designed to transfer effect settings. A dialog box will appear, letting you choose exactly which attributes to apply. This is where you stay in control. You can include motion properties like position, scale, and rotation if you've matched framing, opacity adjustments for fades or blends, lumetri color for consistent grading, and any audio effects you want across all selected clips. Uncheck anything you don't want to carry over. For example, if your target clips are framed differently, you might leave motion unchecked to avoid unwanted cropping or scaling. When your selections look right, click OK. Premiere will apply the chosen attributes to all the target clips instantly. Scrub through your timeline and preview the results. If something doesn't look quite right, open Effect Controls on a target clip to fine-tune.